Hello, this is Mike. I'm good for ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 2-ton per day flake ice machine. The machine works with fresh water and it's equipped with a Bitzer piston compressor. This one, air-cooled condenser. The air-cooled condenser had 2 air cooling fans. This is the liquid receiver. Here's the control panel, ice generator, this is a pressure controller and the pressure sensor. So this video is just to show how my 2-ton per day flake ice machine look like when it's equipped with a Bitzer piston compressor. Okay, and this is how it looks from back. Okay, so this is all I want to show about this machine.